Hello everyone, welcome back to Koja Beauty. Today I am going to talk about the Keep Cool Bamboo Soothe Toner, and this toner is unique because it contains 85% bamboo water, which is rich in amino acids and minerals to really restore the skin. It's also packed with different plant extracts that are rich in antioxidants to really nourish the skin, and hyaluronic acid, which provides deep hydration. On top of that, you'll find that this toner is free from alcohol, artificial fragrances, silicons and parabens, which makes it especially suitable for those with sensitive skin. And before I forget, I want to quickly mention that this toner has a skin-friendly pH of 5.5, which complements our skin's natural pH, which makes it especially suitable if you have irritated skin. Now, I want to share my own skin story, and since I returned to London, my skin has been extremely sensitive and very irritated. I've had really dry and red patches on my face, and I also suffered from breakouts because the water here is quite hard and there's also a lot of pollution, so my skin has been very reactive to it. And I thought, why not try out the Keep Cool Bamboo skincare line exclusively and kind of use myself as a guinea pig to see how it works. And as you can see, my skin looks so much better. I'll insert a photo of what my skin looked like before so you get an idea of how bad it actually was. And now my skin is back to normal. It feels good, it looks good, and I'm so grateful for the skincare line, and especially the bamboo toner is an amazing product. Let's get a closer look at this toner and see how it applies on the skin. I love the fact that this toner has such a lightweight consistency. It's almost like water, and it absorbs easily into the skin without leaving any residue behind or without any sticky feeling either. When it comes to applying this toner, I prefer to just use it straight up on the palms of my hands and then pat it into my face. But then there are also times where I would occasionally use a cotton pad, so I would soak the cotton pad with the toner and then just stick it on my face and leave it on for about 1 or 2 minutes. Kind of give it a mini face mask or facial in a way, and it's just really soothing. If you have sensitive or irritated skin, then I can highly recommend trying out the Keep Cool Bamboo Toner. It's very soothing, it helps to restore the skin, and as you can see from the pictures, my skin has improved so much. And it's all down to the Keep Cool Bamboo line. So if you're interested, definitely try it out. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!